Hello, Namaste to everyone. This is Professor Venkataramu BR, Assistant Professor of English, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Government of Karnataka. I am working at Government First Grade College, Gudibandi. Friends, I welcome you all to this digital learning management system, an initiative of Government of Karnataka. Friends, this is being the English class for the students of BCom 4th semester of Bengaluru North University and also for Bangalore University. Well, this is the English class where we have been learning presentation skills from the session number 39 onwards. Well, this is being the last session of that presentation skills. In this session, we are going to learn some important things. They are the revision of the things that we have learned in the previous session and also the sleep test. To watch this video till the end. Let's come to the revision. Friends, presentation skills. I told you in the session number 39, it means PowerPoint presentation is a mode of communicating ideas systematically and convincingly using ICT. Friends, in this presentation, maybe PowerPoint presentation, you need to use relevant charts, graphs, pictures, videos, and diagrams. Maybe it is because we need to interpret thoughts and messages effectively. Friends, let me remind you the skills which are required in the PowerPoint presentation. The first and foremost thing I have told you, it is the ability to interact with the audience. The second one is understanding the audience. The third one is planning a systematic and structured presentation. The fourth one is transmitting the message with clarity. Followed by this, let us come to the preparation of the slides. The following is the basic sequence of actions for preparing a presentation up to the point of delivering the presentation to the audience. Well, the first point, let me tell you, it is defining the purpose. Now, with regard to defining the purpose, I told you various things. You could recollect yourself. It may be what is the purpose, for whom, for what are the outcomes and reactions that you are seeking. These are all things you can also remember. Let's come to the second point of preparation of slides. The second point that you have to keep in mind while preparing a slide is that to know the objective of your presentation, to inform, to inspire, to entertain, to demonstrate, to prove, to persuade. These are some of the objectives. I don't know what kind of objective you have while you are taking up the presentation. Well, you have to define yourself the perfect presentation objective. Well, the third one is identify the subject. Without subject, we cannot prepare a presentation. We have to identify the subject well in advance. Well, we have to gather the content. As soon as we identify the subject, we have to gather the content. Then we have to estimate the audience and also their requirements. Based on this, we can prepare the slides. Well, the fourth part is that it is the structure of the subject matter. The heap of points that you have, you cannot put once for all the time. So that would be properly structured. That structure is also very important. You have to plan well in advance the structure that is required for your presentation. Well, the fifth point is that plan the presentation style, elements, props and equipments. You have to plan these things well in advance. Now let's come to the sixth point. You have to prepare the presentation. The preparation of presentation includes proper wording, design, charts, graphs, and also the videos, the pictures, whatever are required. You have to prepare them. You have to get in, maybe you have to get in touch with those things so that you can use them in the presentation. Well, the seventh important fact is that you have to practice and rehearse. As you know very well that there is a continuous practice and rehearsal that make you an expert in the field of presentation. Well, soon after your practice, you should get the feedback from your surroundings or from your peers and also get the fine tune for yourself. Then I am sure your presentation process can start from there onwards. Well, now let's come to the another important thing, how to structure presentation slides. The slides that we are going to prepare, they should be structured properly. Be introducing slide where the presenter's name, and details like that can be written in the first and foremost slide. That's called introduction slide. Then comes the outline slide, the important things that we are going to plan, that outline should be there. Then followed by that, we need to have the content slides. What are the things that you are going to discuss that can be discussed well in advance, so that as a matter of informing the audience well in advance, the content slide can be used. The fourth one is the final slide, the most important slide it is. Then this final slide is important. Followed by that, you have the text, you have the images, you have graphs and diagrams, designs, fonts, colors, maybe all these animations also required. At last, we check your work with carefully. These are the some of the things you have to take into account. Maybe for all these things I have discussed in detail in session number 40. Friends, now let's move to the test. A slip test is most important because it's a part of evaluation of the things that you have learned in this lesson. The first question, you have to make a presentation on the spoken English course to be run in a college. Prepare 5 content slides based on the following hints. The first hint is faculty. Second one is duration. Third one is said to be the topics covered. Fourth, the competence a candidate will accomplish at the end of the course. Well, at these points, I am sure you could prepare a presentation. Now, move on to the second one. Prepare a PowerPoint presentation slides for a project of making your area a plastic-free zone. The third one is prepare a PPT seeking project for a house cleaning post-COVID treatment. The fourth one is prepare a PPT slides to make your college eco-friendly and sustainable in energy. One is prepare 5 PPT slides for an awareness program on the importance of masks in stopping the spread of COVID. The last one, the sixth one is prepare 5 PPT slides on maintaining a positive attitude towards life in different times. Friends, I am sure you could attempt these questions. Try yourself and you could answer yourself. I am sure if you are expert in these questions, you will face the exam very easily. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I am sure you liked this video, no? If you have liked, please give a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, press the bell button for notifications. Thank you and see you for the next videos and the next chapter. Thank you very much.